guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now when we talk about modifications on your BMW, you know, it truly comes down to a few things, right? Now if your car is a certified pre-owned car, it's up to the dealership's discretionary on if your modification part made your car do something wrong as far as why it's in there, okay? So if you have like intakes on your car, or if you have downpipes or whatever, and you go in for an exhaust issue or a turbocharge issue and you're still under the CPO, you know, they're gonna use that against you to say you modified that error, therefore we're not gonna warranty your car at all. Same thing with tunes as well. Now there are a lot of tunes to where you can just put them on, take them off, right? The JB4 is great for that just because it's a piggyback. If you're doing a full MHD flash, now you can flash it back to stock. However, if they go in and start checking it even further, they can technically see that you flashed the car from what it used to be to, you know, back to stock state. So you technically can't get away from that in a way, but they have to have reason to be able to check that further onto that. You know, they're not going to do that every single time, so you should be fine as far as depending on what you're going in for. But you know, modifying the BMW M54 is definitely truly fun. You're right, you get tons of power from it. You know, the reliability is actually pretty decent, I mean, to say the least. You know, do DIYs on your car if some stuff comes up so that way you can fix those problems at hand. But you know, it all comes down to if you do not have a warranty, then obviously it's fair game because you will never run into any issues from the dealership as far as warranting or anything else like that. However, you are your warranty. So following my DIYs on certain pieces or any other folks' DIYs, you know, that's going to save you as far as when you do not have a warranty on your BMW. Now, mine's a 2008 with 155,000 miles. When I bought my car 4.5 years ago, I never even had a warranty. You know, I bought the car with 92,000 miles and I had it ever since. It has been a great car for me. Yeah, I've been doing some maintenance on it, but I've saved a lot of money doing it DIY, so it's very critical to do those things. And I do have modifications, which I'll post that video up here at the top so that way you guys can check that out. You know, it's nothing extreme, but you know, I have fun with it. So you just have to determine exactly what you're going to be doing and what you have going on with your car warranty-wise as far as if you want to either risk it or not risk it. Now some people will take all the modifications off before going in to the dealership so that way they have no issues as far as you know, going in and having something denied. Not to say that every person that goes into a dealership with modifications will have issues. That's not the case. You know, I know a lot of people that take their fully modified cars into the dealership and can still get warranty work on and they have no issues. Like I said, per the dealership, they all are different in a way as far as how the service advisors will treat you with modifications, without, and how they process the warranty work. And as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and that comment. Take care. See ya.